Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we'll show you how to disable comments on your WordPress website. First, let's say you want to disable any and all future comments on your website. In your dashboard, go down to Settings and click on Discussion. In the Discussion settings, uncheck the two boxes that say Allow link notifications from other blogs, pingbacks and trackbacks on new articles, and allow people to post comments on new articles. Now, let's say you want to delete all comments ever made on your website. Navigate to Comments and select All. Now, under Bulk Actions in the drop-down menu, pick Move to Trash, and just like that, all comments on your website will be gone. Let's take a look now at how we can disable comments on specific posts. This is very simple. Just open the post in question in your dashboard, scroll down to where it says Show Comments and pick No from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can go to All Posts and click the Quick Edit button next to the post you want. From there, simply uncheck the Allow Comments box. While you're in the All Posts section of your dashboard, you can also disallow comments on multiple posts. Select the post you want to disable comments for, open the Bulk Actions drop-down in the top left, select Edit and click on Apply. As the Comments menu appears, simply click Do Not Allow from the drop-down. Don't forget to click on Update to save the changes. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.